What's up, poetry lovers? Today I have one that is seemingly dark, but I hope it will be beautiful by the end to give it some light. And show it's part of the cycle, right? As the good Taoist would say. A lot of this is inspired from Alan Watts and his talks on death and how it's, completely suppressed and denied in our culture. And it's not cool. It's not how it should be. Like, ancient shamanic cultures had lots of better relationships and funner times, more enjoyable metaphors and ideas about death. So hopefully some of these make you play around with it and not freak out so much of its possibility. Like, it's as Terrence would say, it's an appointment in your life. Just like, he's talking about this singularity that he's predicting. It's like, well, we have a singularity appointment in our life, so something that is completely unknown is going to happen, or, nobody knows, and that's the big surprise. So with that, here it is. Death is coming. Death is near. Hear it whisper in your ear. Death is freedom. Death is peace, slaying the monotony of the beast. Death is beautiful. Death is love. Death is nature's eternal hug. Death is balance. Death is right. Don't let your fear give you a fright. It is not you who die, but the thought of something separate. That's the only thing that can feel desperate. You are the wind and the rain. You are the sun and stars. You are this place and all the space. You are every moment in time. Oh, let's let death have this rhyme. It's supposed to happen. It doesn't matter why. A majestic day. You'll finally get to fly. I hope you find some peace from this, that there's a beautiful element of it. It's part of life. It's built in. It's part of this whole game we're in. It's not some dreadful thing. We celebrate life, birthdays with, like a birth of a new life. So Alan Watts would say, let's do some new thinking, right? Is death sickness? Death? Is birth, like, for a while birth was considered sickness, and that it was, you could give medicine and all this crazy stuff because it was painful and a big deal, right? Well, death can be equally revisited and thought about like it's not sickness. It's part of the natural flow of things. It's supposed to happen. Doesn't matter why. It's okay. It's coming. Doesn't mean we should wish for it, but it's fun. It's really okay. That this universe is really okay. You can feel that deep within as a simple, loving truth, and breathe in that peace. Thank you. Thank you for listening.